If your PC still uses old school or legacy interface to move data, it's like drinking concrete with a coffee stirrer. Hello everyone, this is Bin from Harbor Innovations. Don't let your data get so slowly and get constipated. Today we are talking about PCIe, the super heavy inside your computer, PCI Express. In the 90s, PCI bus was like upgrading a 2-lane road into 8 lanes. Wider road, everyone could use it. Basic traffic problem solved. But all vehicles, cars, bicycles, trucks, even cars, screws together. Everyone's stuck, moving slowly. PCIe is coming, no more shared lanes. Each car gets its own lane. Point-to-point highway, no more traffic jam. In 2003, the first generation of PCIe was born. In this generation, even single line speed is 2 times faster than PCI. 4 years later, Gen 2 was coming.
Do you have driver's license?
Sure, I have. I even had an American one.
Had?
Yes, I had. Expired now. In Generation 2, the speed was doubled, but still weak for big data moving. Gen 3, the legend. Speed, stability, cost, the perfect balance. This lane running for 10 years, powering GPU, SSD, and other PCIe devices. It's a real golden stage. But 2017, Gen 4 came. The speed is just like, you're really genius.
So many slots and cards, standards, how can we choose?
It's a very good question. In fact, if it fits, it will work. Super easy. Let me show you. For example, this very small one. If you can insert, it works. Let us try big one. This big one. Insert, it works. Right? It's super easy. Then, when we have this PCIe slot, we can extend your system with many additional functions. For example, I will show you. This card, you can see there are 4 M.2 slots, additional 4. So after you insert this card into your system, you can get another 8 M.2 SSD installed. Super cool, and you will have really super NAS. If you want another network, you can use this small one. Insert, and you will have an additional network, right? And sometimes you can ask, I don't have money to buy M.2. We have a lot of SATA hard disk. Then try this one. Insert, and you will have 5 SATA connectors. 4 plus 1. Then you can upgrade your system to a really nice hard disk NAS. Right? It's really cool. And when you try to run AI, just insert this. This card has 48 GB memory, and even you can run 70 billion models in your system. Okay, it's cool. Plug your card, share your story, and let's race together on the data heavy. Contact us in Discord and just send us an email. I'm Bin from Harbor Innovations.